guys, welcome to Rakalogics. So in this video I'll be giving you a very quick tour on how we managing Facebook ads and Google ads for our clients. Since I am managing my agency, that is Rakalogics, and my team is also looking after everything with me under my supervision. So from many customers accounts, so I'll be giving you a few examples so that you could be sure about what we are doing and how we managing our clients campaigns. Let's jump into the laptop screen so that I can show you how much we spent so far for our clients and how much leads we have collected so far. So the first example is for this client, that is a digital marketing agency, and we are generating leads for his team, right? So we spent around $2,400 in I think in last 5 months, right? And we have collected a good number of leads, right? So we targeted like instant forms. The destination is sometime the WhatsApp messages and messengers, but I usually prefer the instant form or landing page, because landing page doesn't work so good. So on top of the list, I prefer to use the the instant form, right? So in the second example, this is the audit and accounting firm in Dubai. So this one is from my Australian client, right? So this is my Dubai client, and we spent around $2,000+ during 2 months, right? And we have collected a very good number of leads. You can check the results, right? 78, 81, 103, 210, 253. What strategy we have applied? So at the first, we analyze and research the whole business. So we are also doing the competitor analysis, right? What their competitors are doing, what kind of ad creatives, what kind of ad copies, and what kind of the requirements they are putting up for their ad. And then we sit down, work on these strategies, and then we will be coming up with the great Facebook ads so that we can get a good results. So after activating the campaign, so we are looking after our ads every time during the official hours, right? And we try to change the stats. We try to change the budget as per the performance after 2 or 3 days, right? If we need like to close the ad or change anything in the campaign, so we are making sure everything, right? So my dedicated team is looking after this kind of stuff, right? So let's jump into the Google ads, right? So this is also one of my client from Dubai, right? So I'm running for his travel agency, right? From multiple accounts, Google accounts. So this is one is just for the sake of example, right? So let's check the from September, right? September 1st till now. So check it out. We spent around 260K. I think it's $1,000+ during the last 2 months, and we have got 25,000 clicks because these are Google ads and it's pay per click, right? So we have got 2,500 clicks, 30,000 impressions, and the cost per click is 103, right? So this is the example for the Google ads. And if your agency need any kind of help regarding lead generation, sales generation, or any kind of marketing, social media management, SEO, web development, e-commerce stores creation, so you can take assistance from my team. I'll be looking up everything professionally, so you will be getting your stuff without delays. So with this, thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.